don't need a new planner. You don't need another productivity hack. You need to unfuck your routine. Because right now, it's not your schedule that's broken. It's your relationship with time. Let me guess. You wake up tired. You scroll. You say, I'll start after breakfast. Then it's noon. Then it's night. Then it's tomorrow again. You hate how it feels, but you keep doing it. Why? Because your routine isn't built around your life. It's built around your guilt. You think you lack discipline. You don't. You've just been stacking the wrong habits in the wrong order. It's like trying to build a house with no foundation. Looks good on paper, crumbles in real life. It's time for a reset, a real one. Not some 30-day challenge, not a dopamine detox. Just 3 steps, simple, repeatable, built to last. Start your day before the world starts demanding things from you. Even 30 minutes, just yours. No noise, no phone. Make a rule, create before you consume. You don't need to meditate on a mountain. Just sit, think, or write down 3 things you actually care about today. That's enough, that's yours. Anchor your day around 1 non-negotiable, not 10, not 5, just 1. One thing that, if done, makes the day a win. Workout, reading, side hustle task, make it sacred. Protect it like your future depends on it, because it does. End the day with a shutdown ritual. Most people just collapse into bed and wonder why their brain won't shut up. You need a cue, a soft landing, a signal to your mind. We're done now. Light a candle, journal 1 line, stretch, just 1 small closing act. Do this for 1 week. Not to be perfect, but to prove to yourself you can take back control. It's not about becoming a robot, it's about becoming you again. A version that follows through, the one who doesn't keep hitting reset. You don't fix a broken routine with force. You fix it with intent, with consistency, with small moments of truth stacked daily. So if your life feels out of control, start with just 1 thing. Unfuck your routine. Because the rest of your life depends on it. Subscribe if you're ready to reset your habits, 1 powerful step at a time. This is Beyond Up, and you're just getting started.